guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Cami and thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. I think you're gonna have a good time here. As for this video, this is a good old-fashioned makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna be featuring a few products that I haven't used in a long time. I'm also gonna be featuring a brand new product that I'm very excited about. I actually just bought it today from Ulta. Ulta Beauty, you can find a lot of these products. This is the Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner, so it's a lip kit. This one is called Kristen. It also has very good reviews on the website. I think it's one of the most popular colors as well as Kylie's favorite. So very excited to be using this today. Everything I use in this video is going to be linked down below in the description box right down here, so you can check it out further if you are interested. First off, let's go ahead and slather some of this Norwegian lip moisturizer with sunscreen at SPF 15 on my lips because they're so dry, you guys. It's almost that time of year where like everything is drying out. You know I'm using cocoa butter on my hands. We're gonna go ahead and use the Bare Minerals Mineral Cleansing Water because it's pretty late in the day and I'm like 100% sure there's stuff on my face that I don't want to be there. So let's go ahead and use that. I filmed this entire part already, but it was so dark in here and I didn't even realize that it was so dark for a little while. Well, I think I poured too much, but ew. Yeah, that's what happens when you start filming like at 5 o'clock in the evening. A lot of people think like, oh, you can only really dehydrate in the summer because the sun is like taking it all out of you, but no, you can dehydrate at any time of the year. So I'm sure drinking water is gonna help me keep my water and my hydration levels up. I'm also gonna go ahead and put on a couple of drops of this, the Body Shop Oils of Life on my face. This is the Intensely Revitalizing Facial Oil. This is something that you would want to use at night if you are suffering from like dry skin. I don't know, it's the change in the seasons that makes my skin just feel like so dry. I'm actually gonna put the excess on my hands. I miss that smell so much. I haven't used this in probably over a month, but anyway, I'm a huge Morphe fan. This Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is so nice because it smells so good. I'm using it before I put on any makeup because the setting mist is not just for when you are done with everything and you want everything to stay in place and you want it to last a long time because you're going out. It can also be used to make the base just a little bit more receptive to all the products you're going to put on top. So it's kind of like you're working from the back end instead of the front end when you are trying to make your makeup stay on your face. So I'll go ahead and spray that first. And today for foundation, we're gonna use something I haven't used in a while, but I don't want you guys to forget about it because it's just really, really good. So today we're gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte product. The Infallible Pro Matte it's like a demi matte. So these are colors 109, which is classic tan, and color 108, which is caramel. I'm going to be mixing those together. So I'm going to go ahead and blend those in together. I'm using my BEAUTE Soleil brush. This is the flat top kabuki brush. So you guys might notice that the foundation has made me all one color. I kind of just matched the color of my neck, which is exactly what I want. But to make me appear a little bit more realistic, I'm going to be using a contour, and it's just going to warm me up and make me a little bit more three-dimensional. Today for concealer, I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is the color Medium 26. The ColourPop No Filter Concealer, actually, I would recommend it for people who have drier skin. My skin is a little oily, so this doesn't do everything I want it to do, but it does conceal. But I do notice, like, after a few hours of wear, if my skin were drier, it would still be amazing. So this is the color Hazelnut. This is my Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. So it is a concealer. It's the same type of product that the ColourPop one is, but if you notice, like, the colors are dramatically different, so you're wondering like, if I need this color, why would I buy this color? Or if I need this color, why would I buy this color? You see what this one did? It brightened up the area under my eyes where I would normally be a little bit brighter than the rest of my face, where I would naturally want it to be brighter in photos. But this one is gonna do the same type of coverage, but it is going to be what I'm using today for bronzer. So it's what I'm using to bring back like my face to make it look, you know, real and 3D. We're adding powder onto my face, guys. I've got to powder, and this is really gonna work in conjunction with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So the powder, this is by Makeup Revolution. It's the lace color. Concentrate it here under my eyes so that it doesn't crease, and I'm also gonna put it here where I sweat a lot. I'm actually gonna film another video for you guys. I have the winner of my latest giveaway. It was the Morphe 9D palette. I'm just coming off the heels of that giveaway, and I'm really excited to go ahead and be filming the winner because someone gets a new eyeshadow palette. That's so exciting. You guys, I do giveaways all the time. If you want to be a part of my giveaway, just go ahead and click a link down below because there's probably a link to a giveaway down there. Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, so it's me from the past, and I say that because I looked exactly like this in the video that I uploaded on Tuesday. I realized that when I shot this, and I shot this like last weekend, so I know that I didn't do a shout out, which I don't like that. I completely forgot. It's because I'm not on a schedule. I really need to get on like a shooting schedule and like write down the things I need to do. I'm really bad at doing it. So we'll see what happens in the future, but I'm gonna do a shout out right now, and it's for this video. So the shout out that I have prepared for you guys, Nita Kamani says, yes, I would love to learn more about a powder foundation. Is that like a compact? And Nita, thank you so much for commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. She was talking about the fact that she's interested in seeing me use a powder foundation, guys. I think the compact is like the actual packaging or case that a makeup product or a cosmetic can come in, and traditionally it's got like a powder in it for your face and a mirror. And I don't think that all foundations and powders come with a mirror. I do have powder foundation that I'm thinking about filming a video on. It does not have a mirror on it. It comes in like a little jar with like a screw on top. So, but I think it's got the same effect. I hope I answered your question, and that is also gonna lead us to the bonus question for this video because it's just for fun. It's not a requirement, and it's also a part of a giveaway that I'm doing currently, which I'll link down below if you're interested in winning a makeup giveaway. So go ahead and check that link down below. But the bonus question for that giveaway in this video is, I know some of you are interested in my skincare routine. Do you want to see my morning routine, or do you want to see my night routine? And I appreciate it very much. Tonight, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, but I'm gonna insert the eyebrow routine video that I did I think last month. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. brow pencil. It's my favorite. So you see that I don't have eyebrows now, and now I do. That video is linked down below. As you can see, some of the powder has sunk into my skin. That's exactly what I needed to do. But now that we're done with that, you guys, everything is sort of coming together. What I want to do now is focus a little bit more on my nose because I just put a powder on. You'll notice like my nose has natural shadows here. I just want to define those a little bit more. Oh my gosh, you guys, before I do my nose, I just wanted to tell you I had to go and double check. I'm burning this candle called Black Tie from Bath and Body Works. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I love burning a candle while I work. It just helps me, like, it puts me into like a peaceful mood, you know? So this is the Debutante Morphe bronzer. I don't think that you can get too dark with a bronzer. Like, I just don't think anyone really can because you're creating a shadow, and a lot of shadows go like black and gray, like when it's like rainy and gray outside. Like, I don't think that you can get too dark. You can have too much on, but I don't think the color can ever really go wrong. Just don't put too much, you know what I mean? The lighting, I think, is finally stabilizing. For my eyes, I'm going to use my MAC Art Library palette. This is the Flamboyant one. I don't have the names of the colors of these eyeshadows, but I'm just using this like yellow beige color. Little tiny bit. That's just how I'm feeling today. If I were to do this look at another time, I probably wouldn't even mind just putting more color, but I really want the lip color to stand out, so I'm not gonna put very much like eye color on. it's just so pretty. This is gonna look so pretty, right? I'm taking my Morphe M506 brush and that really pretty darker purple color, and I'm just gonna do a little bit in the crease. I know I just said a bunch about me not doing anything at all other than that beige color, but I don't know, I just feel like I need a tiny bit of definition here. This M506 brush is really good for something like this because it's like more of a precise small brush, and I feel like this purple color will complement the Kristen lip color. And I'm not going ham, I'm not doing a lot, I just want a tiny bit of darkness in the crease so that it just looks more natural. I'm taking my Wet n Wild crease brush and just blending out my crease a little bit more because I did put that darker mauve purple in there. But yeah, I plan on editing a full San Francisco video for you guys. I hope you really like it. I don't know if you guys have seen my Puerto Vallarta, Mexico vlog. That was so much fun. I'm gonna link that down below for you too. This is like a video full of links, but that's okay because I mean, you know, if you want to get to know me, then those vlog style videos will be really good for you too. Let's do a tiny bit of this purple on the bottom lash line here. I'm still using the Morphe M506 brush. I think these two brushes right now are my favorite. The Wet n Wild crease brush, that white one I was just using, and this one, the Morphe M506 brush. So even though this is a lip liner, I'm going to use it as an eyeliner because I rarely ever use it on my lips. This is the Wet n Wild gel lip liner. The color is called Don't Be a Prune. Woo! Oh my goodness, I haven't done that in so long. Ooh, it looks really pretty. I really like it actually. Let's move on to the rest of my eyes so I can do my lips. So these are the THALIA eyelashes. These are called Power Play. I've used them maybe once or twice before, but I'm gonna go ahead and put those on and I'll be right back because I don't know how long that's gonna take. These lashes by EYELURE are so good. You guys, they stay in place, they're sturdy. They are not flimsy with the glue. They just go right where you put them, and the lashes themselves, like they don't go in like 100 different directions. They kind of stay put. I really am enjoying these lashes. Don't be surprised if I get a whole new pair. And it's exactly the THALIA Power Play one. I love EYELURE in general. I've used their lashes a ton of times before. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know I'm wearing the Power Play lashes because these are so cute. I think they look really cute on me. I've used this palette before. This is the Deck of Scarlet edition number 11 palette. I'm going to use Moonstone on my cheeks. I'm doing it kind of high up and far back because I want to look toasty. So pretty. Gosh, I love this. And sorry, I don't know what brush this is. I've had this brush for so freaking long. This is like an angled face brush, but I think it's from like a Forever 21 set I got like 2-3 years ago. You guys, I really miss my nails though. Like, it's so weird not having nails for this whole tutorial. I guess I'm taking like a little break. I just want to like try something new. I love having my red nails though, but when I didn't feel like going to the salon, because I like to get those professionally done, I didn't feel like going. So one day at the mall, I went into that store called Icing. I always get it and Windsor mixed up. Like, I never know what store I'm in until I buy something and I come out, and then I have to turn around and look and read what store it is. But I got these a little while ago from Icing, and I don't know if I wore these in a tutorial. I'm pretty sure I did. But anyway, you get 24 instant nails in a pack, so I guess I wore 10. There's more, so I might be wearing these really soon. But they lasted a while, like at least a week. I can't remember if Bad Behavior, the highlighter color I have now, I don't know if it was like, if it did everything I wanted it to do or not. Because I still want the lip color to be like a focus, the focus, you know? So let's see. This is still pretty. This is pretty. It's subtle. It's like gorgeous though. Okay, so I'm gonna add it to my brow bone. Cute. So now what I wanna do is go ahead and break out my lip kit. Who's excited? Are y'all excited? I'm excited. I'm already zoomed in. So this lip kit was $27, I think. And it comes with, oop, I'm breaking stuff. That was pretty scary. Okay, so these two items come, it looks like such a pretty color, right? This smells like, I like it. I actually really like it. I don't know what it smells like. I don't know what that thing is called, so never mind, but I like it. Okay, so this is the NARS Orgasm Lip Balm. I'm just gonna put this on top of the matte lip color because I wanna see how it looks. Okay guys, so this is the final look for this makeup tutorial. The Kylie lip kit in the color Kristen. As you can see, it's really, really beautiful, so gorgeous. It's a coral that I think that a lot of people can get away with wearing. It's going to look really pretty on a lot of different skin tones. I highly recommend it. Hit that notification bell up there in the right hand corner. It's gonna let you know every time I upload a video. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. And check back soon. Love you.